Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you about stuff, things that we have here. I'm gonna be cooking if I'm not making eye contact the whole time. So in China, we don't usually buy stuff like essentials, when you come here for the first time. Most of my stuff in the kitchen is not mine. You will be surprised. 90%, maybe 80% to 90% of my stuff is not mine. And how did that happen? Because here is the thing. There's something called inheritance, Same like how people inherit from their parents, from like relatives and stuff.
Yeah.
The closest one will get the stuff, right?
Yeah.
The same goes here. Like you can either give it to your friends, you can try to sell it, but at the end of the day, you're going to have some stuff left that you're not gonna do anything with. Sometimes it's really expensive stuff, like an electric bike or a TV or something like that.
Sorry.
But most of the time it's just basic kitchen stuff, like cutting board, knives, and something in the middle range like a rice cooker and stuff like that. And how it works is usually the closest person is going to be the roommate. The roommate, when you leave, you're gonna leave your stuff in your room, right? So your roommate automatically becomes the inheritor. Is that a word? Inheritor of the stuff you left behind. And then when the new roommate comes in your room, like the new student, then he will be the one who will be inheriting all the stuff, your stuff, and the stuff that you inherited before you. That guy will own that, all of that, okay? Then it goes like that, all the way down, and at the end, somebody has a lot of stuff that they didn't buy. Old stuff, but it still works. So if it works, who cares if it works, right? Just keep it.
Yeah.
And sadly now, since new students are not coming in because of the border, a lot of stuff is gonna be thrown away, which is sad. Me, I'm trying to meet new friends, so I can just give it away. But it's not easy to make friends so fast.
Sir, no, sir!
But I'm trying.
Sir, yes,
I can
sir!
send it back to my country because the shipping cost will be way more expensive than the thing itself. So I'm just gonna give it away to some friends, Chinese friends, because foreigners are really rare these days. Like they are really, really rare. And that is a fun, unexpected way that people get stuff in China. So when you come here, don't worry about if the borders open, and hopefully too. Don't worry about stuff, how you're gonna buy stuff, and like cooking, don't really worry about that, okay? And I'll see you on the next one. If you want to, just hit the like button if you enjoyed it. I'm not a YouTuber, but you can subscribe if you want more videos.
Yeah.
I recommend it to you. And I'll see you on the next video maybe. Peace.